Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken a la king. You will need 3 cups of cooked rotisserie chicken, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of half and half, 1 12-ounce bag of egg noodles, 1.5 cups of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of butter, 2 cups of mushrooms, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 4-ounce can of pimentos, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to your water, then bring to a boil. Add your noodles, then cook for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 8 minutes, turn off your heat, then rinse your noodles with cold water. Using medium heat, bring a large pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Now sauté your mushrooms for 5 minutes. Now sprinkle in your flour and cook until it has browned. Pour in your chicken broth and mix until combined. Now add the half and half and continue mixing. For written versions of my recipes, check out my blog, soulfoodcooking101.com. See the description below for details. Now add the pimento and chicken. Now season with the remaining 1.5 teaspoons of salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Add the frozen peas, then mix until well combined. Allow it to cook for an additional 3 minutes, then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul food cooking class, you will learn to